Stop scrolling. If you are planning to study in Germany this winter semester 2025, you exactly have one chance to do it right. Miss a single step, you might lose an entire year. One wrong step, your application gets rejected. The application portal opens in April 2025 and you exactly have few days left. But wait, do you know how to apply? Do you know what documents are required? Do you even know which university is best for you? Or you are just thinking, Germany जाना है, बस किसी भी university में apply कर देते हैं. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact step-by-step process to apply for Winter 2025 intake in Germany. Listen to it very carefully. If you miss one step, you lose an year. The first step is to check eligibility. Many students start filling out applications without even knowing whether they qualify or not. And when they get rejected, they start blaming the university. But the truth is, they never check the requirements in the first place. If you are applying for a bachelor's program, you must have completed at least 12 years of education. If you are applying for a master's, your bachelor's degree must be relevant to the course you want to study in Germany. And please don't assume that any GPA will work. Germany is strict. Most universities require at least 70% or higher in your previous studies. Another thing that many students forget is the language requirement. If you are applying for an English taught program, you must at least have an IELTS score of 6.5. Some of the universities also ask for GRE or GMAT, so make sure you check before applying. Imagine this, that you submit your application and later you realize, अरे यार ये university को तो GRE चाहिए था. Too late, your money and time both are wasted. So always double check. Now, once you are eligible, the next step is to choose the right university. Germany has over 400 universities and still most of the students just apply to the same universities as their friends are. Why? They are too lazy to research. Let me tell you, blindly following someone else's choice is the biggest mistake you can make. There are different types of universities in Germany. Technical universities like TU Munich, RWTH Aachen, LMU are highly ranked universities, but at the same time they are also highly competitive. Then there are universities of applied sciences which focus more on practical learning and have better internship opportunities. And of course there are private universities too, where you can find more of English programs, but the tuition fees are much higher. So choose wisely based on your own career goals and your budget. Don't forget to check out the portal dart.de to find universities in Germany that matches your profile. Once you have selected the right university, the next step is to collect all the documents. And Germany does not forgive any silly mistake. If one of your document is missing or incorrect, your application is rejected. So make sure you place everything prior hand in a correct way. You will require academic transcript, degree certificate, IELTS. You'll also need to prepare a proper Europass format CV. And please don't make your CV look like a social media profile with fancy photos, pictures, colors. Germany prefers professional, simple and clear documents. Another important document is letter of motivation. And let me be very clear, this is not a love letter to Germany. This is your chance to convince the university why you are a perfect fit for their course. You don't write generic things like, I have been passionate about studying in Germany, I love German automobile. Universities receive thousands of applications. If your letter sounds basic, they will not even read it. Write something unique, something personal, something that shows your skills and motivation. One of the most crucial requirements is the proof of funds. To get a German student visa, you must open a block account with at least 11,904 euros before your visa. This proves that you can support yourself while studying in Germany. If you don't have this, your visa application will be rejected immediately, and trust me, no amount of excuses will save you. Now, the final step is to submit your application. Many universities in Germany accept applications through UniAssist, which is an online portal that processes applications for multiple universities. But remember, not all universities use UniAssist. Some require direct applications through their own website. And here's the most important part: don't wait for the last minute. The deadlines for winter semester applications are usually between May and July. But UniAssist processing takes time. If you apply late, your application might not even be reviewed before the deadline. And then you'll have to wait for another intake, which means wasting an year. So apply as early as possible to avoid many problems. By now, you know the step-by-step overview of the application process for winter intake in Germany. But let me give you one last reality check. Getting admission is just the beginning. Are you even ready for what comes next? Do you know how cold the winters are in Germany? And you think that Indian sweaters will save you? Think again. Also, forget about taking Uber everywhere. Germany is all about walking and cycling. Welcome to the real student life in Germany. If you find this video helpful, share it to the friends, because I have seen students who don't know half of this information. Also, subscribe the channel and comment Germany 2025 if you have any doubts. Stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.